As the leaves start to change and the air turns crisp, there's nothing quite like enjoying the beauty of fall right from your own patio. Whether you have a spacious deck or a small porch, adding a few cozy touches can transform your outdoor space into a warm and inviting retreat for the season. Imagine curling up with a hot drink, surrounded by the colors of autumn and the flicker of candlelight. Today, we'll explore some simple yet stylish decorating ideas that will help you create a cozy fall atmosphere on your patio. Modern fire pit with cozy seating. Set up a modern fire pit surrounded by comfortable seating, play pillows, and cozy blankets. Add pumpkins and vibrant fall flowers for a charming seasonal touch. Warm climate cozy porch. Even if you're in a warmer climate, you can embrace fall by adding soft orange pillows and a matching blanket to your porch seating. Pair these with a small fireplace and a few potted plants to create a relaxing atmosphere. Pumpkin and gourd collection. Use a mix of pumpkins and gourds to add natural beauty to your patio. Try combining different colors and sizes to create a relaxed yet stylish arrangement. A rustic bowl filled with mini pumpkins and gourds can serve as a stunning fall centerpiece. Mums and pumpkins display. Fill your patio with vibrant fall colors using an array of mums and pumpkins. Add warm string lights and a few Hello Fall pillows to create a welcoming space that's perfect for enjoying the crisp autumn air. Farmhouse-inspired seating area. For a rustic feel, set up a cozy seating area with neutral cushions as the base. Add bright orange and red pillows along with pumpkins and mums for a pop of color. Neutral porch with rustic elements. Blend natural elements like wood and greenery with your fall decor. The warm tones of pumpkins and leaves contrast beautifully with lush greenery, creating a rustic, cozy atmosphere ideal for the season. Classic pumpkin decor. Never underestimate the power of pumpkins. Arrange them in various sizes around your patio to enhance the space with their natural beauty and seasonal charm. Fall garlands and wreaths. Add garlands and wreaths to your porch railing, outdoor table, or even around the posts of your pergola. These decorations are versatile and can instantly give your space a festive feel. Planters with pumpkins. Place small pumpkins in your planters along with seasonal flowers like mums or ornamental grasses. This simple addition creates a complete autumn display. Glazed pumpkin decor. For a more modern look, decorate your pumpkins with glazed paint. The glossy finish adds a stylish twist to traditional fall decor. Halloween transformation. Easily switch your fall decor to a Halloween theme by adding black lanterns, spooky figurines, or themed garlands. Fireplace focal point. If your patio has a fireplace, use it as the central feature of your fall decor. Arrange pumpkins, lanterns, and seasonal greenery around it to create a warm, inviting focal point. Traditional fall and Halloween combo. Combine traditional fall elements with Halloween touches. Add a farm fresh pumpkins pillow and a few scarecrows to bring a festive vibe. Apple wreath for a fragrant touch. Hang an apple wreath on your patio door, wall, or outdoor fireplace. This not only adds a seasonal element, but also brings a natural fragrance to your space. Simple fall porch. Decorate your porch with flannel pillows and a soft throw blanket for warmth and comfort. Pumpkins, lanterns, and a pumpkin patch sign add a seasonal touch, making the space inviting and ready for autumn. String lights and soft accents. Use string lights to add a warm and inviting glow to your patio. A soft blanket, candles, and a touch of yellow flowers can make the space feel cozy and perfect for enjoying fall evenings. Vibrant fall colors. Incorporate reds, oranges, and yellows into your patio decor to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. These colors encourage spending more time outdoors, even as the weather cools. Red berries and candle-lit lanterns. Combine red berries, candle-lit lanterns, and pumpkins for a classic fall display. This combination brings warmth and color to your outdoor decor. Gourds and Halloween props. Embrace the season fully by incorporating gourds, pumpkins, and Halloween-themed props into your autumn decor. This creates a festive, welcoming outdoor space. Simple fall foliage display. Create an easy yet effective fall display by arranging a mix of pumpkins, lanterns, and seasonal foliage. This effortless arrangement provides a charming autumnal touch to your patio. With just a few simple changes, you can create a warm and inviting outdoor space that reflects the beauty of the season. Happy decorating and enjoy those crisp, cool evenings in your newly adorned space.